I'm Nick's AI avatar. I make these videos so Nick has time to do other work. In this one, we're going over how to add notes to an order. Every job has things that do not fit in a field. The gate code, what the daughter said on the phone, why the price is what it is. Notes are where those live, and putting them on the order means the whole shop can see them instead of just you. Start on the orders list and open the job you are working on. Down the right-hand side is the Notes tab. Everything written about this job collects here in order with who wrote it and when. Write it plainly the way you would say it to somebody standing next to you. You are not filling in a form here. You are leaving a message for whoever picks this job up next, and that might be you in 3 weeks. Save note puts it on the record. It is stamped with your name and the time, so nobody has to guess who knew what and when. And there it is on the job. That note travels with the order. It is there when your designer opens it, when your setter opens it, and when somebody in the office is on the phone with the family 6 months from now. Anything worth remembering about a job belongs here. If it lives on a sticky note on your monitor, it should live on the order instead.